Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Econominds. Today we are going to discuss the SSB 2023 economics question paper. In this part, we will discuss 10 questions of microeconomics. Question number 1. Which of the following is not an assumption of indifference curve analysis? Option A. The price of the commodities remain constant. Option B. The consumer is rational. Option C. The indifference map reflects the taste and preference of the consumer. Option D. Higher indifference curve represents higher level of satisfaction. Option B and option D are the assumption of indifference curve analysis. But option C is the characteristics of indifference curve, that is the indifference map reflects the taste and preferences of the consumer. Option A also is not an assumption of indifference curve. The price of the commodities remain constant. So the correct answer is both option A and option C. Question number 2. If two goods are complements, a rise in the price of one commodity will result in option A. Rise in the price of other. Option B. A fall in the price of other. Option C. An upward shift in the demand curve for other commodity. Option D. A downward shift in the demand for other commodity. In case of complement goods, both the goods are demanded at a time, that is at joint demand. So a rise in the price of one commodity will decrease the demand for that commodity. It will lead to decrease in demand for other commodity also, and the demand curve will shift downward for the commodity. So the correct answer is option D. The downward shift in the demand curve for the other commodity. Question number 3. For what category of goods the negative income effect is stronger than the substitution effect? The correct answer is option B, given good, because in case of given good, the negative income effect is very much stronger than the substitution effect. Question number 4. Predatory price policy is designed to option A, drive competitors out of business. Option B, maximize profits. Option C, encourage entrants into the market. Option D, attains least cost output. Predatory means eliminating competitors to gain control over the market for a short period of time. So the correct answer is option A, drive competitors out of business. Question number 5. If the price consumption curve is parallel to the horizontal axis, option A, the price elasticity of demand of the concerned good is 1. Option B, the price elasticity of demand of the concerned good is greater than 1. Option C, the concerned good has income elasticity equal to 1. Option D, the demand for the concerned good changes directly proportional to price. As we know, if price consumption for a good is parallel to the horizontal line, it means that when price of one good which is taken on horizontal axis declines, its quantity purchased increased proportionately, but quantity purchased of other goods remains the same. At that time, price elasticity of concerned good is equal to 1, as its demand increases proportionately with decrease in price. So the correct answer is option A. The price elasticity of demand concerned good is 1. Question number 6. Which among the following is not associated with the compensation principle of welfare economics? Option A, Calder. Option B, Skidowski. Option C, Pareto. Option D, Hicks. In compensation principle of welfare economics, Hicks-Calder principle is there. In contradiction to Hicks-Calder, there is also Skidowski paradox is there also. But Pareto is not related to compensation principle. So the correct answer is option C, Pareto. Question number 7. A firm in monopolistic competition advertises in order to option A, makes its product more similar to its competitor. Option B, shifts the demand for its product to the left. Option C, make the demand for its product less price elastic. Option D, reduce the industry's price. As you know, in monopolistic competition, larger number of sellers selling differentiated product. In order to sell more of his product, the seller wants to attract more customer towards him. For this, there is non-pricing competition also. That is the competition not in price but in the other than the price. That is advertisement, packaging, design, quality of the product. So in order to make the demand for his product less elastic, he advertises in the market. So the customer will stick in that product also. So the correct answer is option C, make the demand for its product less price elastic. Question number 8. There is assertion reason question. Assertion says if the monopolist faces identical demand curve for his commodity in two separate markets by practicing third degree price discrimination, he cannot increase his total revenue and profit. The reason is as the marginal revenue curves are identical in two markets, when the demand curves are same, the monopolist will not charge different price in the each market to maximize profit. Here the reason is correct for the assertion because the monopolist will not charge different price in same type of market. As the third degree price discrimination based on the basis of elasticity of demand of the product in the market, so there is no price discrimination as there is identical demand curve in the market. So the correct answer is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 9. Who for the first time distinguished between value in use and value in exchange and gave the famous example of diamond and water? Option A, Adam Smith. Option B, David Ricardo. Option C, Alfred Marshall. Option D, Karl Marx. The correct answer is option A, Adam Smith, because first Adam Smith has distinguished the value in use and value in exchange in taking the example of water diamond paradox, and water has more value in use and diamond has more value in exchange. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 10. As the degree of product differentiation increases among the products sold in monopolistically competitive industry, which of the following occurs? Option A, the cost of production falls. Option B, the amount of marketing expenditure decreases for each firm. Option C, the demand for each seller's products became more elastic. Option D, the demand for each seller's product became more inelastic. Here, the product differentiation means heterogeneous goods, not homogeneous goods. For the differentiated product, the demand curve for each seller's product becomes more inelastic. That seller wants to attract more buyers and keeping their demand with with his product. So the demand curve is less elastic, that is more inelastic. So the correct answer is option D. The demand curve for each seller's product became more inelastic in case of product differentiation. So these are the 10 questions of microeconomics. In next video, we will discuss the next question of macroeconomics of SSB Economics 2023 exam question paper. Till then, take care, keep watching, keep subscribing my channel Econominds. Thank you.